Hello guys, today we're going to study about NAT dynamic. So in previous video we studied about NAT static. So we're going to study about NAT dynamic, how NAT dynamic works. It's pretty simple. It has its own pool, whereas in static it's one-to-one, one IP address. Private is gets one IP address public. So here we'll have a pool, so the person who comes first will get the IP address first. So first come first serve. If this I just bought 3 IP address, might be I have a very small company, so I may not use more than 3 IP addresses. So the person who comes first for the first 3 will get the IP address. The other two should wait. So when this person releases the IP address, he will get the IP address. Okay, nowadays we don't use this. We go for overload. That means pat, dynamic overload. We're going to go for pat because it's better than this, but still we need to know how we're going to work on this. So let's go ahead and start it. So I have named this as edge router because this router helps me to connect to the LAN and WAN as well, because this is in the edge. It's connected to my LAN inside the office and connected to the WAN outside the office. Okay, so this is called edge router. So I'm connected to the edge router. It's very simple. Before I go ahead and start, I need to create ACL. So ACL, let me go ahead and create standard. So I'm going to give it as 100 number. Okay, I want to permit entire 10.0.0.0 network. Yeah, so okay, before you learn that, I suggest you to understand ACL correctly. So I'm using access list standard 10 permit. I want to use all the 10 dot networks. I want them to use my internet connection. That's it. So what you have to do is, the next step is you have written the access list. Now you're going to write the NAT command, IP NAT. You're going to write the pool. The pool name is going to be my channel name, connect all. Okay, so after that it's gonna ask you for start from where the pool number starts from. So here it starts from 20.0.0.10 to 12.0.0. Sorry, 20.0.0.12. So I'm gonna write as it starts from 20.0.0.10 to 20.0.0.12. Okay, it's gonna ask me for net mask. So net mask is gonna be 255.0.0.0. Okay, it's done. So I'm done with it. So the next step is gonna be, so I've written the ACL, I have written the NAT pool command. So I'm gonna write both together. So I need to bind both of them. So I'm gonna write IP NAT inside. It's gonna be inside. Okay, because we written the pool. So I'm gonna write the source. Okay, source. After that, list. If you want to write static, okay, it's fine, static, but it's a list. Yeah, so next, what was the number? It was 10. Access list number it's asking about. So it's asking the pool name. The pool name was connect all. That's it. Okay, so here we are gonna finish the command for dynamic, NAT dynamic. When it comes to NAT overload, you just have to add overload. Okay, that's only the different command, extra thing in pat. Okay, so what message am I getting here? There is one more command which is left, is we have to go to the interface. Yes, we have to go to the interface configuration mode. We are already in configuration mode. Now we have to go to the interface. There are 2 interfaces, so we need to learn where we need to put inside and outside. You just have to calculate the source. Okay, this is a source and this is my destination. It can be you know this is my head office and this is my branch office. So might be I want to communicate from head office to branch office. Okay, so here the network address is being translated. Fine. So what happens is how the source is trying to communicate. Yes, over here. So when this host try to ping, so the packet gets inside the router and comes out of the router. Yes, so I'm gonna put the command as interface fast ethernet. I've just enabled debug command. Okay, interface fast ethernet 0/1 IP NAT inside. Okay, it's gonna be inside. Yeah, because see here, it's gonna get inside. Now I'm gonna say outside for fast ethernet 0/0 interface fast ethernet 0/0 IP NAT outside. That's it. That's the only thing command you need to put. You do the same thing in static as well. So now we will, I've just enabled a debug command. Let me show that to you. Debug IP NAT. That's it. Okay, so it's gonna debug the packets. So let me try and ping from any of the source. Let me keep it ready in all the computers. Ping 30.0.0.2. I'm not gonna ping. I want to keep it. I want to ping all together to show you that which IP address was used. Okay, let's go ahead and quickly start from here. Okay. Okay, so everyone is trying to ping. Everyone is trying to ping. So see here, the debug commands are gonna work like this. So it's showing the 30 network is being translated to 20.11. 10.0.0.3 is being translated. So 30 12. So I'm do not get confused with this. So I'm going to show you the translation. Show IP NAT translation. Whoa, we have so many. See here, um, my 10.0.0.3 has used 20.0.0.11 ICMP packet, okay, to talk. 4 packets were sent, and my 10.4 network used 20.0.0.12. And let me stop this debug, undebug all. See here, only 3 people could get the IP address, okay, because I started from here. I started from 5 3 4. Okay, see, have you seen 10 2 and 7 were not able to get the translation, yeah, but they were able to ping because it's just a simulator. They didn't get the IP translation to access the internet. Yes, did you get? The person who comes first will get first IP address. Yes, this was pretty simple to understand. I'm pretty sure if you'll find this very easy. Dynamic NAT overload will be very easy for you. We will come up with another video especially for dynamic NAT overload, because or path, because it's a little different. With the help of one IP address or two IP address, you can use 20 to 30 computers. Yes, but the internet connection is going to be very slow, but you can access internet. I'm going to show in the next video. Hope you practice with this video and you understand how dynamic NAT works, and we'll come up with the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do practice and improve your knowledge when it comes to networking. Thank you.